So we're at the Hyde booth here at the National Hardware Show and checking out some of their better finished products here. For those who've got a small caulking application or you need to touch it up, Shauna's got an option for you right here. Shauna, tell us more about this.
Okay, so Hyde now has come up with their second better finish, and it is caulking. We have interior, exterior, we have kitchen and bath, and we have fast dry painter's caulk. So again, the problem with caulking is it dries out, or the tubes have a memory because they're plastic and you can't squeeze it all out. So a lot of it is waste because it either dries out or you can't get it out. So again, it's in our cellophane tubes, so you can actually use pretty much the whole thing. Second thing is, we do not have the cone-shaped head where you cut the diameter, and most times, of course, the diameter is too big, but you have to use it because now you've already cut it. So this is our resealable cap, but what we did was we designed this head that has 3 different angles. So this will give you a small application. This is the largest and this is the medium one. Okay. And over here, I actually did them yesterday just so you can see. This gives you the small, this gives you a medium and a large, for example, for around a bathtub. So you will decide on which angle you want. You will lock it back in to place. You will take and peel away the strip. Same thing, screw the top down, it breaks the seal. You squeeze, the caulk comes out, and we're ready to apply. So we will apply right here. All you do is you hold your finger on it, and there is your application. Beautiful.
Wow, a nice clean line.
Nice clean line, not a lot of waste. Like a caulking gun, it just keeps going. Once you stop, it stops. Then, again, just sort of wipe off the top with a rag. Use your resealed sealer, and it is locked in the freshness for 3 years as well.
Do I have to do anything special with storage of this because it is that silicone?
No, you do not. Actually, it can go in the kitchen cupboard, it can go in the bathroom cupboard, it can go out in the garage, you can store it wherever you want.
Very nice. If people like to find out more information, where can they go to check these out?
Again, they can go to Hyde.com.
And give yourself a perfect line, a bead of caulk there in your bathroom. This is awesome. We'll put the link in the description below so you guys can go check this out.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.